Wow, looks like it's time for King Dinosaurs 2. Team Dinosaurs 2 defeat Team Sharks. It looks like it's time to. You will die. This is gonna get boring. Shut up, Races, or else you're gonna take the fist. Yeah.
Will you guys stop arguing?
Looks like it's turning like it's on, you know that.
Team Shark gets buns. Okay then, let's go have a race. Sharks versus dinos. Dust race. Races versus Bigfoot. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh, it looks like Races was stuck in the dirt. And then Bigfoot moves on. Can't stop the stomp. Dinos got a point. This is their point. Round 2. 5 Alarm versus Bone Shaker. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh, it looks like Bone Shaker was moving until he got stuck by this. And then 5 Alarm drives himself to the next round. Coming in hot. Team Sharks got a point. Devil Derby versus Gangster. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh! Let's see that again. It looks like Gangster was stuck by the stick. I broke it. And then Devil Derby moves on. Live fast, crush hard. 2-1. Round.
It's in the morning, and when the world sees it looks okay. But
4. Tiger Shark versus Mega Rex. Sharks versus dinos race. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh, try it again. Alright, sorry about that. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh! It looks like Tiger Shark stopped, and also he got hit by this big pow. And then Mega Rex got blocked by Tiger Shark, but it looks like Tiger Shark moves on. Fear the frenzies. 3-1. Last round. Great Bite versus Rigosaurus. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh, it looks like, he's keep on going, he's going. Oh, he stopped. Well, it looks like Great Team Sharks wins. Okay, bye.